Today we are playing Growtopia, and it's an amazing game. So let's gonna do. Oh, it's a pool of here. We gotta swim. Jump. Woo! It's a two here. Up. Oh, it's a shark. No, don't go there. Don't go there. Don't drink. Jump, jump, jump. Go. Fight him. Fight him. Woo! Oh, it's an eagle of here. It's an eagle. Whee! Someone is left. Hey, what are you doing here? I was the only of here. And someone joined. Ow, it's a banana. Give me the banana. Aha. Ooh, it's invisible. Oh my god. Let's play this. Yeah. Oh. It's an eagle. Eagle. It's a flag, blue and red. It's cool. Let's jump there. Go, jump. Throw it. Help me. Huh. What? Come on. I think I can't. Come on. Go there. Downstairs. Come on. Come in. Let me inside. What do you think to do? Hey, come back. Go in the pool now. Go in the pool. To swim. Hey, it's a pirate. Hello, we have a fish over here. Ow. Ooh. Oh no! Help me. Help E? What the help E? Oh my god. Help. Oh my god. Ew. Come on, buddy. Come on. Eee. Oh my god. Zero. Hello, Zero. Hello, Zero. I think I need my headphones. Let's put it. Oh, come on, do it. Put it. Oh my god. Jump over it. Help me, someone. Wow. Help me, someone. I don't know I mistake. Now I can't. Let's gonna do it, bro. Jump. Oh my god. Bro, you can't? Oh, now you can't. Hey, you. Scart. Bulina. I don't know why it put a flag Romanian. It's a flag of Romania. I don't know what the game is putting me a Romanian. I want the American. I want to go there. It's a mistake. Yeah, this play is mistake too much. Hey, I mean, ooh, what does this do? Oh, oh, let me go. Oh, that's where I put. Oh, it's a new pool of here. Oh my god. Hey, shark, you can't eat me because I can't. Don't eat me. Good job, dude. Now let me get. Oh. What? What? What did the shark do to me? He can't eat me, and I am jumping up of it. Come on. No, it's not eagle. Oh. 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 Hello. What? No good stuff. No good stuff. We need to collect more. What is this? What's this? Do it. I need to go down. Ah, he died. Woo! Where am I? Kidding me? Pretty good. The stairs up here. This is a home or what? Oh, it's a bed. Sleep. It's not slips. Box. What? No, what's Ranta Santa? Ranta Santa. Here. It's not a joke. Go over here. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Bad game. Hey, wait. What's a mobism? I want to play Murder Mystery in a Roblox, but my iPad don't have a battery, so I can't play now. I want adventure. Come on, right? It's adventure. Come on. Game on. Come on. Let me in, bro. It's an adventure, dude. Let me. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Game over. I lost or what? Game on. It's gonna do it, bro. Oh. Ow. Let's go. Thank you so much, and subscribe me, and put a like if you like this channel, and so thanks for watching. Bye.